Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to talk about the most important crystal structures. You know friends, sodium chloride structure, cesium chloride structure, hexagonal closed packed structure, diamond structure, zinc blende structure are most important crystal structures. So I will start with sodium chloride structure. I will focus on the fundamental part of sodium chloride structure. So you can see sodium chloride also crystallizes in a cubic lattice but with a different unit cell. Sodium chloride structure consists of equal number of sodium and chlorine ions placed at alternate points of a simple cubic lattice. You can see in this figure. Each ion has 6 of the other kind of ions as its nearest neighbors. Now you can see sodium and chlorine. In second, how chlorine size is big in comparison to sodium and how it is making crystal. So sodium chloride structure, if we take the sodium chloride unit cell and remove all the red chlorine ions, you can see in this figure, we are left with only the blue sodium. If we compare this with the FCC and CCP unit cell, it is clear that they are identical. Thus the sodium is in a FCC sublattice. Now sodium chloride structure. This structure can be considered as a face-centered cubic Bravais lattice with a basis consisting of sodium ions and oxygens and chlorine ions at the center of the conventional cell. So A by 2 x directions plus y direction and z directions. Lithium fluoride, sodium chloride, sodium bromide, potassium chloride, lithium iodide, etc. The lattice constants are in the order of 4 to 7 angstroms. Now friends, another crystal structure is cesium chloride structure. Cesium chloride crystallizes in a cubic lattice. The unit cell may be depicted as shown. Cesium is teal and chlorine is gold. So cesium chloride consists of equal number of cesium and chlorine ions placed at the point of body center cubic lattice, so that each ion has 8 of the other kind as its nearest neighbors. Now friend, hexagonal close packed structure. This is another structure that is commonly, particularly in metals, in addition to the 2 layers of atoms which form the base and the upper face of the hexagon. There is also an intervening layer of atoms arranged such that each of these atoms rest over a depression between 3 atoms in the base. Now hexagonal close packed structure. Brevis lattice, hexagonal lattice, helium, beryllium, magnesium, hafnium, rhenium group second elements. AB type of stacking. A is equal to B, A is equal to 120 degree and C is equal to 1.633A. Base is 0, 0, 0, 2 by 3A, 1 by 3A, 1 by 2A. You can see in this figure. So packing, close pack, sequence AB, hexagonal close pack, sequence ABC, face center cubic close pack. In another figure, you can see here sequence AAA, simple cubic, sequence AB, body centered cubic. Now friends, diamond structure. The coordination number of diamond structure is 4. The diamond lattice is not a Brevis lattice. Silicon, germanium and carbon crystallizes in diamond structure. So you can see the diamond structure in this figure, diamond crystal structure. And zinc blend. Zinc blend has equal number of zinc and sulfur ions distributed on a diamond lattice so that each has 4 of the opposite kind as nearest neighbors. This structure is an example of lattice with a basis which must be described both because of the geometrical positions of the ions and because two types of ions occurs: silver iodide, gallium arsenide, gallium tin, antimony and indium arsenide. So zinc blend is the name given to the mineral zinc sulfide. It has a cubic close packed face centered array of sulfur and zinc sit in tetrahedral sides in the lattice, half occupied. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and thanks for watching. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirazul Haqfazi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about crystal structures. So mostly I will cover in this lecture basic part of solid state chemistry. So I will start with the definitions. What is the crystal? You know friends, a crystal is a solid in which atoms are arranged in some regular repetitions pattern in all directions. Aggregation of molecules with a definite internal structure and the external form of a solid enclosed by symmetrically arranged plane faces. What is the structures? A structure of anything is defined as the framework of its body. So crystal is equal to lattice plus base. Motif or basis, typically an atom or a group of atoms associated with each lattice point. Lattice, the underlying periodicity of the crystal. Basis, entity associated with each lattice point. So lattice, how to repeat and what to repeat basis. Lattice, translationally periodic arrangement of points. Crystal, translationally periodic arrangement of motifs. Now crystal, lattice, where to repeat, and motif, what to repeat. So crystals you can see and lattice. So motif and lattice combine together forming crystals. Note all parts of the motif do not sit on the lattice point. Let us construct the crystal considered before, starting with an infinite array of points spaced 1 by 2 parts. A by 2, put arrow marks pointing up and down alternatively on the point. You can see in this arrangement. Then we get what we get is a crystal of lattice parameter A and not A by 2, and the motif is like that. So lattice point and not lattice points. You can see this is the not lattice points. Now 1D crystals. A strict 1D crystal is equal to 1D lattice plus 1D motifs. The only kind of 1D motif is line segment. An unit cell is the representative unit of the structure, finite part of infinite structure, which when repeated gives the whole structure. Lattice, unit cell, motif, and crystals, unit cell. So you see the lattice combined with the motif and forming the crystal and then unit cell. 2D crystal is equal to 2D lattice and 2D motif. You see the lattice A and B and motif combined together forming crystals. You can see motif, you can see the lattice. Now 3D crystal is equal to 3D lattice and 3D motifs. Now friends, what is the crystal or space lattice? It is defined as an array of points in 3 dimensions in which every point has surrounding identical to the every other point in array. According to Bravis, here are 14 possible types of lattice, space lattice in 7 basis crystal systems. Now the 7 crystal system: cubic crystals, A is equal to B is equal to C, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. Simple cubic P, body center cubic I, BCC, face center cubic FCC, element which cubic structure F and O, BCC chromium, Fe niobium, potassium, tungsten, FCC aluminum, Ar argon, lead, nickel and germanium. Simple cubic structure: cubic unit cell is 3D repeat units. Rare only polonium has this structure. Coordination number 6, nearest neighbors. Atomic packing, APF, you can calculate with the help of this formula. Volume of atom in unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. Assume hard sphere. So you can see here A and R is equal to 0.5 A. Close back directions contains 8 into 1 by 8, 1 atom per unit cell, adopted from figure, you see. So atoms per unit cell, volume per atom and volume per unit cell. So atom unit cell 1, Z is equal to 1, 4 by 3 pi 0.5 A whole cube divided by A cube. So body center cubic structure, you can see coordination number 8. Atomic packing factor BCC, close back directions length 4R is equal to root 3A. Unit cell C contains 1 plus 8 into 1 by 8, 2 atom per unit cell. So atoms unit cell 2, volume per atom 4 by 3 pi root 3A by 4 whole cube, A cube volume per unit cell. Then efficiency is 0.68%. Now face centered cubic structure, atoms are arranged at the corner and center of each cube face of the cell. Atoms are assumed to touch along face diagonals. So coordination number 12. Atomic packing factor FCC, close back directions length 4R is equal to root 2A. Unit cell C contains 6 into half plus 8 into 1 by 8. So APF you can calculate with the help of this formula. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my